What is happening? Hey guys, Broken Wrench is back, and if you haven't already, like, subscribe, follow, hit the bell button for more videos to come. But getting back to the video, I am going to show you how to install a new alternator. My alternator works. The reason why I'm replacing it is the bearings are going bad inside, so it's making a lot of noise. So I'm gonna be replacing that right now. I'm gonna start with disconnecting the power line and disconnecting the electrical connection right there. And once I get that done, I'm gonna disconnect this bolt here and then slowly start to loosen the belt, because the belt's super tight right now. So I'm gonna loosen the belt, and I will get to that point and I'll come back. Okay, I got these disconnected. Just kind of push them off to the side. You just got the little clip in the back. Pop that and you can pull it off. I loosened this already, and just kind of like loosen this up. Then you really don't need many tools. That's pretty much all the tools I'm using is just right there. But you can just spin this. Just kind of spin it up. You can start pushing down. You push it down. May need to loosen this a bit too. Push it down like that. Pull that off. So now the belt's off. And now just pull this guy off, and then careful with that, it doesn't fall out the back. Okay, got to pull this all the way off now. This is where electric tools come in handy. Pull that off. Let's just kind of lift the guy out. There you go. It's hot. I just got done driving, so it's really hot. But anyways, elastics from. But so yeah, here they are side by side. I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear that? Versus this one. There's no sound. And then this one. So this one was still working, it was still charging, but with that sound, it just squealed and it made horrible sounds in the morning. So anyways, I just decided to replace it, get a new one. I picked this one up off of eBay. Wasn't much. I think it was like about 180 bucks, and I think the dealership wanted $400 for it, plus they wanted another 150 bucks to install it. And you really pretty much 12 millimeter, an extension, and a ratchet, and you can do it all by yourself. And I mean, really, I've only been working on it for maybe about 7 minutes plus video, so really not hard, easy to do. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is pretty much just go in reverse and put it all back together. And hey, I just thought one thing, to get your belt tight again, so you're just going to turn that to tighten it, and it's just going to pull this up. I just take it to where it was at before, because it's pretty much dirty, so you can see where it stopped before. So that's where I'm going to take it. Probably as I start getting closer, I will check how tight it is. You don't want it too tight because that's what wears out the bearings, but you want to get it snug to where it doesn't squeal when you start up in the morning when it's cold. So anyways, just want to show that real quick.